Purchasing EyeDirect equipment. EyeDirect offers specialized devices designed to facilitate direct eye contact during interviews and filming, enhancing the connection between subjects and viewers. Their products are essential tools for professionals aiming to improve on-camera engagement. Available EyeDirect models. EyeDirect Mark II. This model provides on-camera talent with the ability to maintain eye contact, utilizing a 50-50 beam splitter. It's compatible with a range of cameras from mirrorless to digital cinema and supports various lens sizes. The Mark II is priced at approximately $1,746. Folding Mark E. Designed for portability, the folding Mark E offers the same functionality as the Mark II, but in a compact foldable design. It's suitable for DSLR, mirrorless, or prosumer cameras, and is lightweight enough for use with a monopod or handheld setups. The folding Mark E is available for around $998. Where to purchase EyeDirect products? Official EyeDirect website. You can purchase both the Mark II and folding Mark E directly from EyeDirect's official website. They offer domestic free shipping within the United States. Authorized retailers. EyeDirect products are also available through authorized retailers such as B&H Photo Video, which offers various models and accessories and replacement parts. EyeDirect provides a range of accessories and replacement parts to maintain and enhance your equipment. Beam splitter glass. Replacement 50-50 beam splitter glass is available for both the Mark II and folding Mark E models, priced at approximately $158 and $132 respectively. Edison mirror. Spare or replacement Edison mirrors for the Mark II and folding Mark E are offered, with prices around $65 and $36 respectively. Travel cases. Foam-fitted rolling travel cases are available to protect your equipment during transport, with the Mark II case priced at about $498. Considerations. When purchasing. Compatibility. Ensure that the EyeDirect model you choose is compatible with your camera setup, including lens size and camera type. Portability. If frequent travel or on-location shoots are anticipated, the folding Mark E's compact design may be more suitable. Accessories. Consider additional accessories or replacement parts that may be necessary for your specific use case. In conclusion, acquiring EyeDirect equipment can significantly enhance the quality of on-camera interviews by ensuring direct eye contact. Evaluate the different models and accessories available to select the best fit for your production needs.